guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Well, it is time for another contest here on this channel. I am very prone to contests. I've done quite a bit so far. I have done over $1,000 in gifts to you guys, ranging from BMW apparel, detailing stuff, free custom N54, N55 flash tunes through EMP Tuning. I've done 2 of those that were out there, and then I've done 6 different Bluetooth ones, so that way you guys can have Bluetooth for your BMW. I truly love doing those contests for you guys. I know you guys like participating in those as well. So we're gonna do this one just like my very first one as far as revisited when I first did it on the channel, and it is really as simple as commenting below why you think you should win. So I know a lot of you guys are really creative and you'll come up with some kind of nice saying within the comment section box below. Now, the winner is chosen by you guys, the viewer. I don't choose the winner whatsoever. So how this is gonna work, you're gonna like whatever comment that you see is just like the best. Now it could be funny, it could be whatever, it's just whatever you guys wanna do. To do that, to just basically displaying like, hey, you know, like I think I should win because, you know, such and such or whatever. Now I do have a subscriber of mine that has been around since I was around 30 subscribers or maybe less. His name's Kevin. Kevin has won a contest before, just based off what he says. Like I said, I don't choose the winner, it's you guys that choose. So there's no favoritism that's on there, but you know, he always has great things to say just because he's been around for so long. You know, he can relate to a lot of my videos that I've had on the channel and my improvements and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, he's a crafty kind of guy, so that way, you know, he comes up with that perfect response and it draws the attention from everybody else like that. Well guys, it's as simple as that. Comment below why you think you should win. The highest liked comment will win a prize. So the winner is gonna have a selection that they can choose from. I wanna open it up pretty broadly, and then you're gonna just give me some general ideas, and then I can just let you guys pick something fun. And I look forward to seeing what you guys have to say down in the comment section below. We'll run this for 5 days, ends at the same time 5 days from now. All right, best of luck, take care.